please like and subscribe. Hello everyone, and welcome. Welcome to BobTheTraderGPT.com, where we combine AI, human intelligence, and automated trading systems to build real-world expert advisors for markets like the Nasdaq, US 100, and AI-driven technology stocks. Today, I want to show you something very important. This is not fantasy. This is not random gambling. This is how modern AI-assisted trading systems are built. At BobTheTraderGPT.com, we build, test, improve, and optimize expert advisors, also known as EAs, for MetaTrader 4. If this is your first visit, you're in exactly the right place. Every single day, I help traders understand not just what the markets are doing, but why they are moving. Because when you understand why, you begin to think like a fund manager. Today, we're going to talk about one thing: volatility. Because volatility creates opportunity. Think about this. Around the world, trillions of dollars are moving every day. Central banks, hedge funds, governments, artificial intelligence, algorithmic trading systems, pension funds, commodity traders, and millions of retail traders are all making decisions at exactly the same time. The result is one of the most fascinating financial systems ever created. Most traders look only at the chart. Professional money? That's a completely different way of thinking. Here at Bob the Trader GPT, our goal isn't to guess. Our goal is to understand probability. Let's begin with gold. Gold isn't just another commodity. Gold is confidence. Gold reflects uncertainty. Gold reflects inflation. Gold reflects fear. Gold reflects central bank demand. Gold reflects geopolitical risk. Gold reflects changes in the US dollar. When several of those forces begin moving together, gold can move dramatically. Now think about the Nasdaq and the US 100. These markets are driven by innovation, earnings, interest rates, capital investment, and increasingly artificial intelligence. The largest technology companies in the world are investing billions into AI infrastructure, data centers, robotics, cloud computing, and next-generation software. Every earnings report, every economic release, every interest rate decision can influence how investors value those companies. Now let's talk about Forex. Foreign exchange is the largest financial market on Earth. Currencies move because economies move. Interest rates change, inflation changes, trade changes, capital flows change, political events change. Professional traders constantly ask one question: where is global money flowing today? And that brings us to something important. Why is there a GPT at the end of my website? The answer is simple. Because I believe artificial intelligence can help traders become better prepared. GPT represents the idea of combining human judgment with AI-assisted research, organization, and education. AI doesn't replace disciplined thinking. It helps organize information so we can make better decisions. That's exactly how I use it. Every day, I study the market, global macroeconomics, central banks, inflation, bond markets, the US dollar, gold, US 100, Nasdaq, EURUSD, oil, geopolitics, artificial intelligence. And then I organize those ideas into practical intelligence for traders. Markets don't move because of random candles. Markets move because people, institutions, companies, and governments make decisions. Understanding those decisions is one of the biggest advantages a trader can develop. Here's something I've learned after many years of studying markets. The best traders are not always the smartest. They are usually the most disciplined. They protect capital. They manage risk. They wait for quality. They understand that patience is a position. If you want to improve your trading, your thinking, and your understanding, I invite you to visit BobTheTraderGPT.com. You'll find information about our free live YouTube trading sessions, where we study the markets together, discuss the major themes driving gold, the Nasdaq. EURUSD, and other actively traded currency pairs. And most importantly, learn how to think like a fund manager. This isn't about chasing trades. This isn't about hype. This isn't about gambling. It's about preparation, discipline, risk management, probability, and continuous learning. Every trading day, the market tells a story. Sometimes that story is about inflation. Sometimes it's about interest rates. Sometimes it's about geopolitical uncertainty. Sometimes it's about AI transforming the global economy. Our job is to understand which story matters today. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed today's global market intelligence briefing, please like, subscribe, and share this video with another trader who wants to improve. And don't forget, visit bobthetradergpt.com to join our growing community and register for our free daily live YouTube trading sessions. Together, we'll continue learning how to think like a fund manager. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next market intelligence briefing.